Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Philips 4000 series earphones and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this reset really for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones will not connect to your device, if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, if they won't sync or pair, or just any other kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Also, if you just want to clear out the pairing history and get a fresh start with these earbuds, we can go ahead and do that with a hard reset to the factory default settings, and it's quite easy to do. All we need to do is on the little control piece here, we're going to find the volume up and the volume down buttons. We're going to press and hold them simultaneously for a minimum of 4 seconds. After those 4 seconds, the earbuds will reset to their factory default settings, at which point you can go ahead and set them up and pair them with a device as though they were new headphones.